Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome again, my wisdom warriors. Wanna look on the screen there. Come now waste no time because me have few things to talk about. I me now waste no time. Wanna just look on Mama Lashy. Look on him face. Wanna look on him face. How he must stress out over KSAMC. Tell me how we must stress out so. That more than like for know. Williams wants PNP Garden to withdraw comments about municipal cops in KSAMC. A call has been made for the PNP Dennis Gordon, chairman of the Finance Committee of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, to withdraw his assertion that municipal police officers in the capital are untrained. Wanna hear them something here? Wanna hear them something here now? Listen, yeah? The PNP, they are being very transparent. Anything them do, them be transparent about it. So why Jamaica Labour Party don't want to be transparent? What make Jamaica Labour Party don't want to be transparent? That me want to know. If the man said them untrained, that means that they untrained. That means that them untrained. The man not tell no lie. So how him just a jump up on the mayor, so? How this a man just attack the mayor? Because this is what they're doing, my viewers and subscribers. Remember, so when I see this a man, right through when he was the mayor. When this a man was the mayor, no, he is the deputy. But when he was the mayor, he no come out and talk nothing. The only time when I see this a man, I went Crab Circle with the shit up business we're going to Crab Circle. That was the only time Delroy Williams come out and talk. When the people them a ball for light, when the people them a ball for move the rubbish, we no see Feda. So how comes Feda run out now? How comes him a run out? I don't understand. So if Dennis Gordon, the chairman of the Finance Committee, come out and say the police officers in the capital are untrained, that means that they untrained. The man not tell no lie. So what you mean the man for withdraw his statement? For what? We need to know these things. We need to know. And as far as we can see, them not trained for true. Them untrained. Nothing wrong with that. The man talk truth. He is only being transparent, but you do not want the Jamaican people to know. You do not want to share the things them with the Jamaican people. You want left we behind. Like say we are work for uno when uno work for we. Make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, you see all this money out of order. You see how him a run up and down like headless chicken. You see that door? When if you run up and down, he not run up and down. When if you call out Andrew Oldness for do the things them, he not do it. But now, as the mayor Swaby take over, a peer problem this a money a cause. Peer problem this a money a cause. Just because Mayor Swaby asks for a request of audit. And that cause the problem, That cause the problem. Through the man asks for a auditing. And that are them problem. That's why it may cause whole heap of problem and whole heap of baga. This a boy, this a man figure, hey, all him. You should never, me I tell you no. I mean, I understand. How comes after how much months, uno find problem, uno find fault, just because uno want to control KSAMC. Because uno want to control KSAMC, uno come talk about there is irregularities. Uno fi stop tell lie, man, because uno lose. You understand? Uno fi give up now. Give up. And stop tell lie upon the PNP. Stop tell lie. Because uno fighting a losing battle. You guys are fighting a losing battle. And you because you keep up all heap of foolishness, allege, in the KSAMC, this is the reason why everybody attack the PNP. You need to allow Mayor Swaby. Allow him because the man is at work. Wanna hear me? The man is doing his job. My wisdom warrior, taking the mayor. Hear this.
We'll also make sure that we're in advance of these events, and not just only carnival, but all events that are like boys champs, the grand gala. We'll make sure 3 months before the date we'll have meetings with them and work out all the issues.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the mayor say I go do. But the thing is, yeah, the mayor no need for tell the promoters and the whole of them to do that. Then should I know so them to do that. Then should I know so the place for clean up. You understand me? And that them for do. So me no know why the mayor have a whole meeting with them in advance like them a little baby, like a basic school them go. And a basic school them go. You understand? I wonder if all this was purposely done. I wonder if they deliberately do it for sabotage the PNP, for make the PNP look bad. Because right now, me have to look all angles. You understand me? Me have to look all angles, my wisdom warriors, because the Jamaica Labour Party can't be trusted. It's just the truth. They can't be trusted. You understand? So right now, me have to peep through hole. You get me? We can't trust them, because then we do anything. Because remember, said the mayor request. Listen to this, my wisdom warrior. Remember, said the mayor request for the Auditor General for audit the 88 million overspent salaries. You understand? Why them use 88 million and overspend 88 million pound salaries? For what reason? It wasn't needed. I first me ever hear say money. I first me ever hear say money overspend pound salaries. If somebody listen, remember everybody have them salaries. So how come salary money if you overspend? My viewers and subscribers, every time they take people their money, take taxpayer money and do as they like and do as them please. Them talk about they overspend it on this and they overspend it on that. And that are their little trick. That is their little trick and they need to cut out. So when Mr. Swaby do, he did the right thing. You understand? Listen, remember, so the man take over now, and no Feder, and no Delroy Williams is the mayor anymore. It's Mr. Swaby, the gentleman when me just show you. So he's doing the right thing. You understand? By auditing the 88 million. Next minute, if he not do no auditing, you hear say him go spend it. You understand? Make it make sense. So he is doing the right thing. So no allow the man, I make him man work, I make him man do what he's supposed to do. On a go at you know, so on a mix up in a one bag of nest, ants nest. And that's on a problem. That's why Juliet Oldness a fight. That's why Juliet Oldness is fighting to get back KSAMC. My viewers and subscribers are dangerous people, them. Wanna hear me? Them people are not easy. Dangerous people, them to society. We need to get them out a House of Parliament very soon. Them a cause too much problem. Too much cast them a cause. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Nesta Robert Morgan says, the government is concerned with serious matters and is not committing time to the debate over whether House Speaker Juliet Oldness should withdraw a letter of reprimand sent to former clerk to the House of Parliament, Valerie Curtis. On the ear when Nesta Morgan just say, on the ear, on the sister, them people I not care about nobody. Them people are disgust me. Let me read it again. Nesta Morgan says the government is concerned with serious matters. So he must say, Miss Valerie, no serious matters. You understand? You not tell me about Miss Valerie. That he must say, Not tell me about Miss Valerie because she no serious. Me tell you about them boy, what them a call leader. You understand me? Them a people, I say them a leader. Them a people, say them professional and say them a man of integrity. A waste set of people them here. Them a people and them in Jamaica no good. You don't know see that? They don't mean Jamaica no good. How can you talk to somebody? Somebody who serve over decades, 3 decades in a House of Parliament. And at that you come say more serious matters? Really? Just because Juliet Oldness a part of a labor right crew. I better say if a PNP do this, you not behave so. I better that. I tell you about them, man. Them are not good people. My viewers and subscribers, let me read more. The minister was asked about the issue on Wednesday at the post-cabinet media briefing. Minister Morgan was asked at the media briefing to respond to the opposition repeated calls for House Speaker Juliet Holness to withdraw her letter to the former clerk to the House of Parliament, Valerie Curtis. So you see, anytime Mark Golding come up and say anything, they always ignore Mark Golding. This is what they do. And then they have the mainstream media a broadcast for them thing. And that them do, you know. Yes, man, and that them do. Anytime they do something wrong, an opposition leader stand up and defend it, and defend the people, then sidestep the opposition. This is why I tell you, say, they're acting like them a republic country. You understand? Them are going like them a republic country. Because only republic country alone behave that way. You get me? All Andrew Holness do is dictate. And them are the same thing. Them learn from their master. Because remember, say Andrew Holness are their master, you know. So them are learn from their master. You understand, my wisdom warrior? How could you say somebody was served? Somebody was served how long? Over 3 decades to serve. Yeah? And this is what? This is how. Uno PR back. Uno all owe the woman 1.5 million under PR for how long? Really and truly. And I come talk about uno have serious matters. Uno talk about uno have serious matters. So she is not serious. Me telling about uno dirty style. Me telling about uno dirty style. You try to say Miss Curtis matter is not serious. But what una talk about serious. What una chat about? Because a peer come and create peer problem. And that you do. Because number one, you take away the whole of the pump them from all over Jamaica and talk about you go fix it. Talk about you go fix the pump. And you make the people then don't have water. And you forget the blame on government. And you sabotage the people. And if Jamaican people up in there, then we see. Then we see and know. Because how can you say you go fix pump? Uno take on the people them pump. The people then can't get no water. Uno say uno go fix pump. And no, what uno go do? Before uno fix the pump, uno decide to send out tank and water and black drum. So wait there. So how long uno go send out water for? That me want to know. How long uno go do that for? Hey, Jamaican people, uno need to wise up, you know. Uno need to wise up because listen, this is an agenda, you know. This is an agenda. Can look into it. Them are going to go on a black drum. That means I won't have to depend on the government. Listen, in this time here, Jamaican people not fear depend on tanker water. Jamaican people not depend on tanker water. Too much water is running. Too much running water, river water, too much water, spring water there, Jamaica. Fear talk about drought and all them kind of something there. I wanna cause it because you remove the pump and so I go fix it and take months. Not bring back the people them pump. Una necessarily una make the people them a suffer. And when Jamaican people are go open up their eye and realize what go on. And when you go really open up on the eye, on a kula eye and realize what the government are doing. No. Hey, government are sabotage, you know. You know have to see that because they can't take people pump. From much months, so now go fix and don't fix it. And just leave the people them without water from months now it happen. Months now it happen. And then on go on like say Andrew Holness care about people. And then Nesta Morgan with for himself. Yeah? With for himself. All him do. Andrew Holness send out boy, you know. That's all him do. Come out and chat pure shit. That's all he does. That's all he do. When Andrew Holness feel like the heat upon him too much, if he not send out Marlene Malao, he send out Delroy Chuck. If he not send out Delroy Chuck, he send out Nesta Morgan. They must sit me a need for stop, man. It is ridiculous. And only for another woman. Only for another woman properly. Because a long time the woman dead there. I do her job. And only owe the woman underpay the woman. You don't care about nobody but phone blast itself. You need to stop it. And I always tell the Jamaican people them say, if you know want yes boy and yes girl, Jamaica Labour Party not like you know. Only yes boy and yes girl alone link up with JLP party. And it is just the truth. Who want like it. Who don't want like it, good luck to you. I do not care. You understand? Because me come here for talk the truth. This is what me come here to. What the government do is wrong. You understand? It is very distasteful. You cannot do stuff like that. It is not nice. You understand me? And the whole of text sect. Uno fi stop it. Uno fi stop it. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me one thing. Me have a video clip when me want uno fi take in. Yeah? And then we elaborate on it. Hear this.
The opinions, you will have a cursory understanding very shortly as well. The opinions of the Attorney General was requested by the Speaker of the House, not by the opposition. The legal advisor to the Parliament is the Parliamentary Council. You have absolutely no obligation, Madam Speaker, to share an opinion from the Attorney General to the government, to the opposition. You may do it because of your good nature.
My wisdom warrior, when you hear Nesta Morgan, when you see him out, when you hear him chat pure rubbish a come out of him mouth. Look upon these people. Can you imagine? When you hear what the man say? The man say, Juliet Owens not obligated for share. What you mean, Juliet? Me not understand. What you mean, Juliet Owens not obligated for share the opinion? The opinion is not her personal business. The opinion, it's about the 60th. It's about the report. Yes, it is about that. So why not share the opinion? Remember, the whole thing started, because 6 culprits, Jamaica Labour Party is under investigation, my viewers and subscribers. So when time the report sent, they never want to table it out. You understand? And the only thing they couldn't come up with, listen, my viewers and subscribers, I want a little trick, to they want to delay the report. That is a trick, They want to delay the report. So they come up with this thing now. And then say, them going to ask for an opinion. And then them are going to bring it back to the house and let everybody know. That is what Juliet only said. And that them say from day one. You understand? Remember, it was the farmer, Madam Speaker, who asked about the opinion. It was the farmer. Remember, it was the farmer, Madam Speaker, who said that. And she said, when it come back to the House of Parliament, then them are going to explain it. You understand? And them are going to share the opinion. So, why Juliet Owens don't be of a good nature, according to Nesta Morgan, Why should I do it of her good nature then and share it? Let me see if she are going to use her good nature and share it. That means that if she not share it, she not have nothing good in her. No, I tell you no, talk truth. Talk truth, my wisdom warriors. The Attorney General send back a report about the opinion. Remember, they said them ask for the opinion. They send back the report, yeah? Why she don't want to share it? That me not understand. That means that something is in the report that she don't want with you know. You understand? Remember, so this is not about her personal business, This is about government business. So why you alone for know about it? Why you, come sure no say all of your MP they know about it on the Jamaica Labour Party side. Or just not want the opposition leader know about it and the MP them on the opposition side. That means that una hide something, Juliet. What in that the opinion they saw? What Jamaican people here. My viewers and subscribers, read between the lines. A same thing should do with the other report. Remember, and when the Auditor General say it off the table out, yeah, that is how we find out about the 400 million that was paid to unoccupied buildings, whosoever own it. You understand? And it was a Jamaica Labour Party member of Parliament own it. You get me? So something in this opinion, she no want with know. She no have no right for hold back nothing from the House of Parliament. It's not about her life. It's not about her. You understand? She need to share it. She have no right. She have no right. We want to know what in that the opinion they saw. We want to know, Juliet, you're too bright and out of order. And Nesta Morgan stand up and a chat rubbish. I stand up and call himself man of integrity. They don't have nothing about themselves. Remember, they don't sign the code of conduct, My wisdom warriors, none of the Jamaica Labour Party, none of the member of Parliament in the Jamaica Labour Party, no sign the code of conduct. None of them for sure know the type of person them is. If you want to check other country, if you want to check UK, if you want to check America, if you want to check Canada, the Prime Minister them sign and the Member of Parliament then sign the Code of Conduct. Why Andrew Holness feel like him too holy and mighty for sign it? This to show you the type of people they are. Them are not good people. Cause if them are good people, them wouldn't sign the Code of Conduct. Wanna get when me I try to show you something in a something. My wisdom warriors, the rate of Juliet unless I move right now, she hide something. There is something the Attorney General advised her to do, and she don't want us to know. She want to keep it amongst her and our JLP people them. And that she want to do. And that is not right. You can't get an opinion for share and you decide that you want to keep it. And then Nesta Morgan, him a come stand up. You see him dirty face, him stand up and come talk about. You are not obligated to, you need to shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and stop chat rubbish. Stop talk like that. Una say una professional. And look the way una talk. That means say una no care. That means the way all them a move is like a for them country. It come like a for them country, my viewers and subscribers. It come like there's no opposition leader. I saw them a move. They do as them like the whole of them. When I see this money come out, so you know. Actually because the pressure upon Andrew, upon Nigel Clark and the whole of them. So they always send out him or Marlene Malaho. All the time that them do. My wisdom warriors, for the talk, when Nesta Morgan open him out and talk, I try to confuse the Jamaican people. Because that him do, you know, I create a narrative, which enough of them not even go understand what go on. They not even know the root of it. And this man come out to talk about she not obligated. So what the ratted whole she do in a House of Parliament? What she do in a House of Parliament if she not obligated for share no opinion? She for come out and go yard. She for come out and go yard. She not supposed to in a House of Parliament then. And then you know Nesta Morgan come stand up and run off your mouth. Hey, I go on if you go away, you know. The whole I don't know. I go on if you go away. Una be very disrespectful to Mark Golding. They must have me a need for stop. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think about this, you know. Because me want to know how una headspace tear, you know, right now, you know. Because me I tell you, say, you know, them piss me right off. Me I tell you no, them piss me right off. Them being very, very rude. Very, very rude. So let me know how you feel and what you think about it. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And una big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.
But you have no such obligation.
You started your question by saying in light of growing public outrage.